even need bill. Know that. God even with your friend, you ain't even have man land on you. Know that.
Okay, so here's the bike. This is what I did so far. I replaced the ignition switch with a new one. Now the key doesn't spin all the way around. I hear it click now. Boom. The horn switch, the control, horn, lights, headlights, and the turn signals. Place on that. Here's the wire for it. And then next thing we're gonna do is also the kill switch and the electric start. There's the wire for it. And I also so far replaced a new battery. It has a new battery. So we got that coming. We got the CDI coming this weekend. Ordering a new one. That will be coming this weekend. The kill switch is coming this weekend. Here's the new switch, turn signal, horn, and headlight switch. That's it. Ignition switch. The ignition's in. That's already in. The new one. Now, I'm gonna tackle all these wires. Oh, a mess in here. Oh, a fucking mess. I'm gonna straighten this out, clean it, all these wires up, twist tie them, electric tape them, more better. Same thing back here. And then basically tomorrow we'll be sanding down the frame. Basically covering it all, everything up, ready to paint the frame. And here's all the pieces. Taken apart, ready to bring it home to start painting them at home.